Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Can I still get a table? Of course. How many people are coming? 2, please. My friend will come soon.
No problem. Would you like to sit upstairs or downstairs? Is there a table near the window? Yes, we have one upstairs. It has a nice view. That's great. I'll take that. Please follow me. Thank you. The restaurant looks very nice. I'm happy you like it. Would you like to sit inside or outside? Inside, please. It's a bit cold outside. Sure. Here is your table. Thank you. Can I have the menu, please? Here you are, sir. Please take your time. Thank you. Actually, I'll order now. My friend will be here later. Of course. What would you like to have? I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. And for your friend, sir? She'd like the pasta with tomato sauce. Sure. Would you like something to drink? Yes, please. 1 orange juice for me and 1 mango smoothie for her. All right. Do you have any food allergies? No, I'm fine, but I don't really like onions. No problem, sir. We can make it without onions. And your friend? She's allergic to shrimp, so please make sure her pasta has no seafood. Of course. I'll tell the kitchen. Anything else? That's all. Thank you. Great. Your food and drinks will be ready soon. Thank you very much.
Hello, Jack. Did you wait long?
Hi, Cassie. No, not at all. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
I'm sorry. I came straight from work.
That's okay. Was the traffic bad?
Yes, a bit. It's rush hour now. And it was raining a little, too.
Oh, really? I hope you didn't get wet.
No worries. I brought an umbrella. The waiter helped me put it aside.
That's very kind of them.
The staff here are really polite.
Yes, they are.
This restaurant looks quite fancy.
I asked a friend for a recommendation. He suggested this place. By the way, I already ordered for us.
Oh, you did? What did you order?
A mango smoothie and some pasta for you. Is that all right?
That's perfect. Those are my favorite foods.
How did you know that?
I asked your best friend, Lucy. She told me.
Thank you for inviting me to dinner.
It's my pleasure. I'm glad you came. This pasta tastes really good. You should try some.
It looks nice. What sauce is that?
Tomato and a little cheese. It's simple but delicious.
Let me try it a bit.
Sure, here you go.
You're right. It's very tasty.
Thanks. What about your dish? The grilled chicken looks great.
Yes, it's very soft and juicy. Do you want to try some?
Sure, just a small piece.
Here, take this one.
Oh, it's so good. I like the flavor.
I'm glad you like it.
The sauce makes it better.
Yes, it's really nice. Yes, it's really nice.
I agree. The food and the service are both great.
And the atmosphere is really cozy too.
Yeah, it's perfect for dinner.
By the way, would you like to try some dessert?
That sounds great. What do they have?
I saw chocolate cake and fruit ice cream on the menu.
I love ice cream. Let's share one.
Good idea.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. How can I help you?
We'd like to order some dessert, please.
Of course. What would you like to have?
We'll share 1 fruit ice cream, please.
Sure. Would you like it now or after your meal?
Now, please.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, could you play some soft music? The current song is a bit loud. I see. You'd like something more relaxing, right? Yes, maybe something calm or romantic. Of course. I'll change it right away. Thank you. That would be lovely. You're welcome. I'll bring your ice cream in a few minutes. Perfect. The atmosphere here will be even better with soft music. I agree. It's already a nice evening. Here's your dessert. 1 fruit ice cream. It looks beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome. Please enjoy. It smells really nice.
Yes, and it looks so colorful. Let's try it.
Sure, you go first.
It's so sweet and fresh.
Let me try a little. Oh, it's perfect. I love the mix of fruit and cream.
Same here. It's light but delicious.
The music makes it even better, doesn't it?
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why?
How about watching a movie together? There's a new one at the cinema near the park.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Perfect. Maybe Saturday evening.
Perfect. Maybe Saturday evening.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Maybe we should get the bill now.
Yes.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Of course, sir. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Thank you. Let's check. Everything looks correct. Yes, 1 pasta, 1 grilled chicken, 2 drinks, and 1 ice cream. That's so good to hear, sir. Oh, wait, we did not order any steak. Oh, we are sorry. There must be a mistake. Here you go, sir. Please double check it again. They're all fine now. Would you like to pay by card or cash, sir? By card, please. Here you go. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Here's your card and receipt. Thank you very much. Everything was wonderful tonight. We're happy to hear that. Have a lovely evening. You too.
Oh no, it's raining harder now.
Yes, good thing I have my umbrella.
Still, it's a lot of rain. I can drive you home.
That's very kind, but my house is not far.
I know, but the road is wet. You can get cold.
You're right, it's raining a lot.
You can close your umbrella. I'll open the car door.
Thank you. That's very nice of you.
No problem. I don't want you to get wet.
You're very kind. I had a good time tonight.
Me too, but let's go before the rain gets worse.
Okay, let's run to the car.
Be careful, the ground is slippery.
I will. Wow, it's really raining now.
Don't worry, you'll be dry soon in the car. Don't worry, you'll be dry soon in the car.
Yes, much better than outside.
The rain is really heavy now.
True. I hope it stops by morning.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Yeah, it's perfect. I was a bit cold before.
Good. I don't want you to catch a cold.
You know, watching the rain like this is kind of nice.
Yeah, it's really chill.
I like the sound of the rain on the car.
Same here. It feels peaceful. Do you have work tomorrow?
Yes, I start at 9. What about you?
I have to finish one project. The deadline is tomorrow evening.
Oh, that sounds busy.
Yeah, a little, but I'll finish it. What about your work?
It's okay. Just normal meetings and emails.
That's good.
You always look calm even when you're busy.
Thanks. I just try to stay positive.
That's a good way to think.
So, what will you do after work tomorrow?
Maybe rest at home and watch a movie.
Sounds nice. You deserve a break after today.
Thanks. This drive is really relaxing. Thank you for driving me home.
No problem. I'm glad you got here safely.
Hey, look, the rain has stopped.
Oh, really? That's great.
Yes, and everything feels so fresh now.
Yeah, the air smells clean after the rain. Hey, it's nice, isn't it?
It is, but I think I should go inside now.
Of course, it's getting a bit late.
Right. Thank you again for dinner. I had a really good time.
I'm happy to hear that. I enjoyed tonight too. The food, the music, the rain, everything was perfect.
Yeah, it was such a nice evening.
I'll text you when I get home.
Okay, sure. Drive carefully.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Great. Have a good night.
Great. Have a good night.